Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to farm in Project Zomboid. First, you'll need seeds, a digging tool, and water. Common digging tools include a trowel, shovel, or hand fork. Seeds can usually be found in houses, warehouses, farm stores, and garden sheds. Once you have these items, go to a patch of grass or dirt where you want to plant your crops. Right-click the ground and select Dig Furrow. After the furrow is created, right-click the tile again and choose Sow Seeds. Then select the type of seed you want to plant. Your character will plant the seeds into the soil automatically. Once the crops are planted, they need water to grow. Right-click the planted tile and choose Water, using a container like a water bottle, bucket, or watering can. Crops will grow over time as long as they stay watered and healthy. Rain will also naturally water your plants if they are outdoors. As the plants grow, they will move through different growth stages. When they reach the final stage, just right-click the crop and choose Harvest to collect the vegetables and sometimes additional seeds for future planting. And that's how you farm in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.